Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on cryptography and network security lab. So in this video, I am going to show you a practical application of the SHA1 algorithm. Okay, so first we import uh, three packages. First one is we are importing the big integer class from java.math library. I will tell you why we are importing this. Okay, it is used here. We will see what is the use of that. And we are importing java.security package where we have the message digest class, and finally we are importing the java.util package where we have the scanner class. Okay, so the class one name is SHA1 demo, and first let's see the main method. This is the main method. Okay, so the main method throws no such algorithm exception. Okay, why because means we are using this Mm, no such algorithm exception in the catch block here. Okay, so the main purpose of throwing this exception is if the Java compiler runtime is not going to find this SHA1 algorithm, it is going to throw this exception. Okay, that's why we are throwing this to JVM. So JVM will handle this exception. It will generally display some error message, right? So first we are prompting uh, to the user to enter a string. Okay, so the input is going to be a string and the output will be the hash generated by SHA1. So for reading the input, we are creating an object for the scanner class, and we are using next line method available in scanner to read a line of text which we are storing in this variable text, and we are passing this text variable to a function called get SHA hash. Okay, so the return value of this hash function will be printed here. Okay, now let's see what is happening in this get SHA hash. So here is the method. This is the method get SHA hash. So it is taking the input string, okay, into the variable input. So in the try block, we are writing or instantiating the class message digest. So in the message digest, we are instantiating the algorithm by using the get instance method, where the algorithm we want to instantiate is SHA1. Okay, now we are converting the input into bytes format by using the method getBytes, and we are passing these bytes to the method digest, which is available in the message digest class. Okay, so the digest method is going to prepare the input, that is I told you in the theory video that SHA1 works on 512 bit blocks, right? So this method is going to do the padding, and after doing the padding it computes the hash also, and the hash will be stored in this variable message digest. Okay, it will be stored in this variable message digest. Now if you see here, this message digest type is byte array, right? Now we are converting this byte array into an integer by using the class big integer. If you see here in the constructor, we are passing message digest, which is this, where our hash value is stored in the form of byte array. We are converting this byte array into integer by using big integer. Since the integer value will be very lengthy, that's why we are using big integer here. And finally, this lengthy integer, okay, is converted into string by using toString method. That too in the format of hexadecimal. Okay, we are converting this integer into a string, that is the string is in the format of hexadecimal format. That is why we are writing 16 here. The base of hexadecimal is 16, and finally we are returning that hexadecimal value, which is hash text, that is going to be substituted here and it will print. Okay, So that's all. This is a very simple program. So let me show you the execution. So the file name is SHA1 demo.java. So compilation is completed. Let's run it. Okay, if you see here, it is asking me to enter a string. This is the thing. So let me give, mm, this is a test string. Okay, this is my input. So if you see, we got the hash. This is the hash. So this hash contains 40 characters because it is in hexadecimal. 40 into 4, 160 bits. Okay. So let me run the program again. Mm, Java. So let me make a small change here. This is a uh, test. So instead of test here, I am giving test string. Okay. Now we got another hash value. We didn't get this value, right? So I just made one character change. Even if I made the one character change, it is giving me a different hash value. Okay. So this kind of thing can be used to verify the integrity of a message. Okay, so I am not going into details. I am just telling you the point. This kind of behavior of a hash function in generating hash values can be used in verifying the integrity of data, right? So that's it about the application of SHA1 for generating message digest or hash. Thank you.